Hello, hello, hello. I'm so glad to see you. And first I want to say thank you for this green bin that you put on my table. Wait a minute. You did put this here, right? I didn't put it here. I came into my studio this morning and this was here on the table. So if you didn't put it here, and I know I did not put it here, then where's this from? I wonder if there's any clues that can help us figure out where this is from. Do you see anything that might be a clue? Let's see. Look at this. This looks like a note, and it has my letter, J, right on the front. Maybe this will tell us. This is a note. Look. I'll read it to you. Dear Mr. Jimber, here is a sweet treat. Choose your favorite. I will come back later and get my basket. From Jenny. My friend Jenny. That's who left this basket. She's so great. You'll have to meet her sometime. But now, let's see what she left. She said, what did she say? She said it was a sweet treat. What do you think it could be inside here? Could it be ice cream? Could it be cookies? Could it be something even better? Let's see. Whoa. Look at this. A beautiful banana. This may be a little too ripe, but I bet it still tastes good. So that was in there. Anything else? Let's see, anything? Woohoo! An apple. This looks perfect. And this, a nectarine. Wow. Yep, I think that's it. How many fruits did Jenny leave for us today? 1, 2, 3. My friend Jenny left us 3 fruits. And the note said, choose your favorite. Oh my goodness. Sometimes choosing favorites can be really hard, but let's think together. Maybe you can help me choose. What do we know about bananas? Well, they have a delicious sweet taste. You can peel the skin off and then you eat the banana, but you don't eat the skin. I mean, you could taste it just for fun to see what it tastes like, but it's not very good. Then we have an apple. Apples grow high in trees, and something people like to do in the fall when the weather gets a little chilly is they go to places called apple orchards and they pick apples to take home. And it's really funny to go to an apple orchard and pick apples because when you come home, you have like 20 apples. You have almost too many apples. And then last but not least, we have a nectarine. A nectarine is a special fruit because a nectarine is like a peach without the fuzzy skin. And they have a nice tart taste, and I love them. Man, I thought this was going to be ice cream or cookies or cake, but fruits are even better. So which one should I keep? Well, I had a banana yesterday with my breakfast, and I don't know if I want another one. I love having apples, but I think tonight, after my dinner, I'm going to have some applesauce, so I probably don't need that. I think that leaves only one choice, the nectarine. I'm going to enjoy this. One of the best things about fruit is that you can have 1 or 2 and they're so healthy. Do you ever have fruits in your lunchbox? Do you ever have fruits for snack? Do you have a favorite fruit? I bet you do. Other popular fruits are strawberries and blueberries, and depending on where you live, you can go and pick them fresh off the plant, or you can get them from the supermarket. Man, this was quite a surprise. 1, 2, 3 surprise fruits. Banana, apple, and nectarine. Well, I think I've made my choice. I'm going to keep this nectarine, and I'm going to put the banana in the apple back in. So when Jenny comes back to pick up her bin here, maybe she'll want to eat the banana, maybe she'll want to eat the apple, or maybe she's going to take this bin to see her other friends and to see if they love a sweet fruit treat. What a special day. A visit from a friend and a sweet, delicious fruit snack for later. All right, well, good to see you. See you next time. Bye.